Thinking about getting the Brother GTXpro DTG printer? We spotted a crazy online price drop down to around $14,293. Today, we're breaking down the prices, official specs, and model variations to see if it's worth your investment. While the standard retail price floats around $22,000, dealers like Sterling Sewing currently have it listed at $14,293.5. This deal isn't just the machine, it includes a full CMYK plus white ink set, Pretreat solution, cleaning kits, and the official rolling stand, drastically lowering startup costs. According to Brother's official technical specs, what makes this machine a commercial beast? 1200 x 1200 dpi, powered by dual piezo print heads for ultra-sharp detail. 16 x 21 inch print area, accommodates oversized tees down to baby garments with quick change platens. Dual white ink circulation, keeps ink moving to prevent clogging and cut daily maintenance time. Which version should you choose? Standard GTXpro uses 500 ml ink pouches, ideal for small to medium print shops looking for lower initial equipment cost. GTXpro-B bulk uses massive 1.8 liter or 18 liters ink tanks. It costs more upfront, but cuts per print ink costs significantly for high-volume factories. The bottom line, at $14,293 with a full starter bundle, the standard GTXpro is an incredible entry point for commercial printing. The standard GTXpro is an incredible entry point for commercial printing. Large factories should step up to the GTXpro-B for bulk savings. Subscribe for more breakdowns and see these prints in action.